Hi children, good morning all of you. In the previous class, we have finished some textbook exercises. Now continue the lesson, continue the textbook exercises. Page number 31. Understand grammar. Verbs are is, am, are. Was, were. So now we discuss about is, am, are. What is the verbs? What are verbs? Words that tell us what someone or something is or does are called verbs. Doing words. Verbs are doing words. Some special verbs such as am, is and are tell us about what somebody or something is or does. We use am with I. Already I told you in the previous classes, am is always with I in present tense. Okay? We use is when we talk about a singular person or single person or thing. For example, he, she, it, there is only is only verb. Okay? We use are. We use are when we talk about more than one person or thing. Here, more than means plural forms. Plural forms. We, you, children, birds, like that. We use are. When we use plural forms, the verb is are. Singular form use చేసినప్పుడు is. And I always with am. Okay, now here one example is there. I am safe. I am safe. Sonia is my friend. In this sentence, am is verb and is verb. Here Sonia, only one girl is there. That's why here is. And in this sentence, we are playing a game. We is a plural form. That's why here verb is are. Okay now children? Now turn the page. Okay children, now page number 32. Let's write H exercise. Fill in the blanks with is or are. Okay? First one. Gautam and Sanaya dash helping the gardener plant marigold seeds. Here Gautam and Sanaya, there is two persons, isn't it? Gautam and Sanaya. That's why this is plural. We write there are. A-R-E, are. Okay? Second sentence. The seeds dash in a packet. Seeds. Here seeds, plural form. More than seeds are there. That's why here answer is are. A spade dash a tool you use to dig the soil. A spade is one thing only. Spades not there. Spade only. Singular. So one is there. One spade మాత్రమే ఉంది కదా, spades అని లేదు. So here is. The gardener dash digging small holes in the soil. Gardener, gardeners కాదు కదా. So that's why here answer is. Sanaya dash putting the seeds in the holes. Here Sanaya. Here also one girl is there. Only one person is there. That's why answer is single form lo undi kada. So is. Gautam dash covering the holes with soil. Gautam, here one boy is there. So here also answer is. The children is singular or plural? Yes, very good. Children is plural form. Dash gently pouring water over the seeds in the soil. So children plural form. That's why here answer is are. Okay, now is, are, am are in present tense forms లో ఉన్నప్పుడు మనం is, are, am అనేది యూజ్ చేస్తాం. Now past tense forms లో ఉన్నప్పుడు మనం ఏం యూజ్ చేద్దాము? Let's discuss. Was and were. Was and were tell us about something that happened in the past. Past, yesterday, before yesterday, last week, last night, last month. That happened. Already it's happened. That is called past. They also help us make sentences with other verbs. They are was, were. For example, here, Sanaya was Gautam's neighbor. Already past tense form, this sentence. Was is a past tense form. The children were playing on the staircase. Already ఎప్పుడు ఆడుకున్నారని చెప్తున్నాం కదా. So here were is a past tense form. The children are playing అని ఉంటే now present tense లో వాళ్ళు ఆడుకుంటున్నారు అని చెప్తున్నాం. ఆల్రెడీ ఆడుకున్నారు yesterday or before yesterday అని అన్నప్పుడు were you write there. Okay? Okay, now use grammar. Make sentences about these pictures. Use verbs from the boxes. First of all, see the pictures, Nana. Here, yesterday, and here, today. What is the heading? Yesterday, today. Yesterday, already I told you, yesterday, before yesterday, that past timing, we use verbs are was, were. And today, present time. Am, is, are, like that. Yes? Okay, now, see the picture. Rupa and Nido were talking. Here, two persons, that's why here were. And here this girl playing. Girl is playing antam. Yes? But here yesterday form, past tense kada. So the girl was playing. Okay? Here was. And here the girl is singing. The girl is singing. Why? Here today. Present tense lo రాయాలి కాబట్టి. Okay? And here the boy is skating. The boy is skating. For example, am. I am singing. So children, see the pictures. Your own sentences. Write in CW. Okay? Now, J exercise. Page number 33. Fill in the blanks with were, was or am. Gautam, Sanaya and Saif dash board. Here 3 numbers. Gautam, Sanaya and Saif. So here were. Bored because they had now here to play. It. Here it. It is a singular form. So that's why past tense form lo rayamanar kada. So that's why here was. Not right is. Was right. It was naughty of them to have troubled their neighbors. Later they sorry for their behavior. Here they is singular or plural? Plural form. But we write here past tense form. That's why here they were. They were sorry for their behavior. Each of them went to their neighbors and said, I dash sorry for troubling you. Here I am. Already told you I with am. Okay, now K exercise. Write well. Sanaya, Saif and Gautam wanted to apologize to all their neighbors. You know neighbors? What do you think the neighbors said in reply? fill in the speech bubbles. These are for all of them. Use phrases such as I am sorry, I apologize, please forgive us, so naughty, don't do it again. These words are we write here in the bubbles. So in this conversation, in the see the picture, what is the suitable phrases? Write here. Children, do yourself guess the answers right here. Okay. Now page number 34. Children, now page number 34. What should you do? What should you do? ఏం చేస్తావు? See the pictures. See the pictures here. 3 pictures are there. Think and discuss and what should you do? First of all, read out. Each of these pictures shows a common and real life situation. A boy accidentally breaks a window pane while playing cricket. These boys are playing cricket and here broken window pane. Next second picture, a lady's shopping bag burst open. See, a neighbor's loud music disturbed a boy trying to study. Here a boy trying to study, but neighbors here made a loud voice, loud noise. Yes, so disturbing to his studies. So children, what they discuss here? మనం ఏం డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం? What is the main point? What is the common point here? What should you do? And think what you say. Yes, we never do such a rude things. అలాంటి rude things మనం చేయకూడదు. And we never to do trouble to others. ఎవరికి ట్రబుల్ చేయకుండా ఉండాలి. Don't bother. Yes, isn't it? And say to apology if any happened. ఎవరన్నా మనం బాధగా పెడితే కనుక you say apologies to others. Yes, isn't it children? Say yes or no. So we should also follow the good behavior. Okay.